Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use Paint 3D on Microsoft Windows 10. So let's get started the video. Okay guys, so first what you need to do is you need to open Paint 3D. Okay, right here I already opened the Paint 3D. Here we have Paste, Open, New, and we can turn on or turn off the Show Welcome screen. And we have the free tutorial here, so let's just create a new project. Here we have brushes. You can undo by clicking Ctrl Z. Here we have stickers, tags, effects, canvas, stickers, 3D shapes. So for example, here you can change the texture. You have a 3D doodle here, like this. You have 3D doodles. Edit, and we can also have some like shapes like this. Yeah, you can see the shapes here. This are 3D shapes, as you can see. Even we can make some pyramids. You can drag here, and this is the pyramid on the 3D shapes. So you can delete this. Just close this by clicking backspace. Here we can change to polished metal. For example, cat. Yes, you can see this is the cat. Got some texturing there. We can zoom. Can adjust the zoom. And we can also change this. Let me change the matte. And yeah, this is the cat. Like this. So if you want to add some like the eyes, or maybe the eyes, you can just add some 2D shapes, or you can draw by yourself. Or you guys, the 2D shapes looks like an eyes here, and it will automatically follow the 3D shapes, and the 2D shape will automatically follow the 2D shapes. And we can just copy here. You can edit color here, but I'm just gonna do Ctrl Z. I'm gonna edit it now. I'm gonna edit the color. You can have some feel, solid feel, white, and now it looks like an eyes. You can paste, but if you wanna make in the front, the eyes in the another eyes in the front, don't paste it. Just make the new one. Here, can make this. Can just make the new eyes. Here's the cat. You can also add some text, and you can also add some text here. For example, here you can have some text. Here we got some text effects, 3D text. Okay, so we have 3D text here. Yeah, we have, you can see we have 3D text. You can put a 3D text here. Stickers. You can have some stickers like this. You can make it 3D. Yep, as you can see. And you can make a sticker again. And you can rotate this. Yeah. And you can also crop the canvas if you want to crop it. You can also crop. You have 3D view here. So as you can see, this is the 3D view. Yeah, this is the canvas, and this is the cat. So how to save this? So you can just close this, and you just click save here. Just click save. For example, name is tutorial. Save in Paint 3D, and it will save. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys. See you next video.